In this video, I'll show you how to borrow money from Cash App. If you know about the borrow money or the loan feature from Cash App and you're trying to set it up, in today's video, let me show you the few steps that you'll need to follow. Now keep in mind that borrow features are available on certain regions and for certain accounts only. So you may or may not have the borrow option on your Cash App. So in order to check it, you need to head over to the money page. From the homepage of the Cash App, tap on the money option, which is on the bottom left of the screen. From here, you'll land on the money page, and if you scroll down a bit under explore, you'll have the option called borrow. Now, if you don't see the option called borrow, that means this particular feature is not available in your region or not available for your account. As I said earlier, not every account has this feature, but if your account does, it's going to say borrow right here, and also it's going to show you the available balance that you can borrow. So just tap on this option. Inside of this, it's going to show you the borrowing limit. And before you get started, make sure you read the information such as these information right here on the bottom. The funds will be received instantly. Pay only a flat 5% fee. Repay within 4 weeks. So you'll also get a deadline when you'll need to repay. If you agree, just tap on get started. Now, if this is your first time, you'll need to accept and get funds. So you need to agree to the terms in the next section. So just tap on get started, and in the next page, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. So just tap and scroll down to agree to these conditions. And once you're done, depending upon your limit, as it shows on the top, you're going to get this amount directly deposited on your Cash App instantly. So that's the process that you borrow money from Cash App. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.